Stone Cold with a bad staph infection in that right elbow. But he'll accept what happened and say that he has no excuses. But the reality is his opponent did not draw first blood. The Undertaker drew first blood on Austin. And the title is on the line here tonight in Cleveland. And it's not going to be pretty. But the gold is on the line.
What do you think McMahon's thinking here? He's got to be worried.
And there they go again, crashing to the outside. Again, he's sent crashing to the outside. He's left the ring again, playing mind games with his opponent. The bionic redneck Steve Austin sees the opening. There's press. Look at Austin go. And their opponent taken back into that ring. An elbow.
Back into the ring now.
And he's out of the ring again. Tossed back in the ring now. Unloading with that kick to the midsection. Austin, no! This crowd is jacked. This match is everything we thought it would be in the early going. Kane is taking it to the challenger. Man, I haven't said that in a while. Austin, the challenge. Kane, 7 feet, 325, the champion. Thanks again for that shocking victory at the King of the Ring, courtesy of Kane's brother, The Undertaker.
Come on, Kane. Repeat history here tonight.
The Undertaker sang earlier, I did what I had to do. Now, what the hell does that mean? Why did The Undertaker cost Austin the title? Yes, I can understand the dead man not wanting his brother Kane to have to set himself on fire. But there had to be a better way, a different way.
Austin's in a fighting mood. Hey, he's going for it again.
This has got to be it.
Uh-oh, the big red machine has been busted open. No way.
The world famous Stone Cold Stunner.
Here's a cover.
With everything he's got.
Stone Cold looks like he's starting to get fired up.
He hooks the head. And he holds on to the ropes. And friends and neighbors, that's one heck of a punch.
Knocked into the middle of next week.
Whoa, whoa!
Nice move off the top rope.
He's in the driver's seat, and he knows it.
Austin's got it.
Now that's what this capacity crowd paid to see. Here's the pin.
Oh, gosh. Stone Cold. A perfect Stone Cold Stunner. That's it. It's over. He's got him down for the pin. Turn around, ref. Right in the kisser.
That'll knock you silly. King almost destroyed him with that counter.
Oh, dog.
This could be it. This could be it.
Oh, what a painful kick. Oh, did you see the neck snap back? force behind it.
Oh, that single-leg Boston Crab ripping the lower back apart. Wow, an expert reverse. He fights out.
I've seen this before. We may see a mud hole get stomped here soon. Wow, Kane taking all kinds of punishment here.
He's got his shoulders planted to the mat.
Oh, what a shot.
And again, he bails from the ring.
He's spending more time outside the ring than in it.
What a vicious shot with the knee. The Rattlesnake seizes the opportunity.
That's it. He's out. Austin, this could be bad.
Could this be it? There's two.
Watch it. There's the stunner.
On the verge of victory. That's two. Here's three.
And Stone Cold,
Here is your winner.